Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss what does a lock mean on Snapchat. For example, if you open Snapchat and open chats and you see someone's story and it has a lock on it. For example, if you see a lock on someone's story, then what does this mean? This means that that person has posted that private story and he has added you in that private story, and it is showing that it is a private story. So I will tell you how you can add that private story. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to click on here and you have to select any of your snap, and after that you have to click on story. As you can see, there are three options available. The first one is my story, and the second one is snap map, and third one is M's private story, which means if you want to add that photo in your private story, then you can simply click on send and that photo will be added into your private story. So that mean of the lock on Snapchat. In this way you can add a private story, and the person you add in a private story sees a lock on their story, which means it is because of Snapchat can make difference between a simple story and a Snapchat private story. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.